Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download ProArt Studiobook Pro 16 laptop driver. So this is officially website of ASUS. You can download driver. Okay, so simple, click on this. Then click to down arrow and click on support. Driver utility. Only Windows 11 64 drivers available. So if you have others, so you can click on this. Okay, but so this is LAN driver, this is chipset driver, this is audio driver, this is graphic card. So do not install critical, click to show more, and this one graphic driver. Okay, a card reader, Bluetooth, camera, and all are there. So I show you how to download and install. Okay, so simple, click to download, cancel. Okay, then it will download. Open this setup, then click to yes, then okay, then next, install, install. So guys, you can try same. Okay, one by one. Download Bluetooth, also download cameras and all. Okay, thank you.